This is the third time I have reactivated my Leadsleap account over the years, mainly due to the fact that I never took the time to explore the platform and follow the simple step-by-step instructions. I have found the platform to be the best all-in-one lead generation marketing system in 2020. Leadsleap has all the tools you need to drive targeted traffic to your website, build your list, follow up with your list, grow your network, brand yourself. With a proven track record of more than 10 years, the platform is continuously adding new tools to help you automate your business online. Below are the 6 tools you can use to build your business online for free. Instead List Manager, Landing Page Builder, Pop-up Generator, Tracking Links, Rotators, Ad Bars. Once you set up your automated marketing system using the free tools above, you can set up ads within the platform and start to drive targeted traffic to your website on autopilot using credit ads. Credit ads work by surfing other sites in exchange for credits. You can then use the credits to get views to your own sites or convert them to cash once you have a minimum of 50 credits. The traffic exchange works different from most traffic exchanges in a way that there is no timer. You can surf each site for up to 3 minutes, and the longer you stay on a site, the more credits you earn. In order to be successful online, you need to have an automated marketing system, and you need to be able to drive targeted traffic to this system on autopilot. Leadsleap offers you all the tools you need to build your online business on autopilot. What I like the fact that the owners have done everything they need to make sure you get the most out of the platform in the following ways. Daily lessons sent directly to your email. Quick start guide located in the dashboard. FAQs located with every tool. Insider advertising report. What I dislike. I would say that at first glance there is a lot going on, which lead me to canceling my account the first time around. The second time I just didn't take the time to familiarize myself with the platform. Final verdict. This is a great platform to help you automate your business online. If you take the time to follow the instructions in the guides and emails, you will be amazed at how much value you can get even as a free member.